In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify car mode problem. So if you're having this issue trying to connect Spotify with your car, the first thing that you can try out is try to connect or turn on the car mode manually. If you have set the car mode to automatic, simply head over to your settings and head over to your car settings or the car mode settings within Spotify and try to manually connect. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can also try out is try to repair your device. So make sure you head over to your Bluetooth, disconnect from your card first of all, and try reconnecting. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still facing this issue, then what you'll also need to do is try to look for the app permission. So hop out of the app of Spotify, tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data users and make sure that the background data is not toggled on. If the background data has been restricted, this also might be causing this issue. If you're using a wire to connect your phone to your car, then you can also try switching or swapping a USB cable. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of Spotify. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.